Stay tuned for 10 ways to say yes in Chinese.
Everyday Easy Chinese.
大家好，我是 Everyday Easy Chinese 的林老师。Today, you will be learning how to say yes in 10 ways in Chinese. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly Chinese lessons. Let's start. Number 1. 是的，是的. This is the first way to answer positively to a yes or no question that checks something. For example, if someone asks you, 你是留学生吗? Are you an exchange student? You can answer positively by saying 是的 to mean yes, I am. Number 2. Is the casual way of saying yes. It is the equivalent in English to yep or yup. So when your friends or family are asking you 你饿了吗? Are you hungry? You can simply reply by saying to say yes, I am. Number 3. 对. 对 means correct or right. So when you finish watching a movie with a friend and they say 这部电影真好看, this movie is very good, you can express agreement by saying 对, 我也觉得很好看. Yes, I also think that it is very good. Number 4. 有. 有 means to have. But when someone asks you 你有带钥匙吗? Have you brought your keys? You can reply by saying 有 to mean yes, I have. Number 5. 好. 好 literally means good. But when your friend tells you 我们下个月一起去旅游吧, let's go on holiday together next month, you can reply by saying 好啊, which means yes, that's a good idea. Number 6. 没错. 没错. 没错 literally means not wrong, but it is more like that's right. If your friend asks you 电影是不是10点开始? Does the movie start at 10? You can say 没错 to mean that's right. Number 7. 没问题. 没问题 literally means no problem. So the next time when you're asking your manager for a day off by asking 我明天可以请假吗? Can I have a day off tomorrow? They might respond by saying 没问题, which means no problem. Number 8. 行. 行 means sure or okay. So if someone asks you 我可以借你的车吗? Can I borrow your car? You can say 行 to mean okay. Number 9. 可以. 可以 literally means can. So when someone asks you 我可以用一下你的电脑吗? Can I use your computer for a while? You can respond by saying 可以, which means yes, you can. Number 10. The final way of saying yes is 当然. 当然, which means of course. So if I ask you 你喜欢这个视频吗? Do you like this video? You can respond by saying 当然喜欢. Yes, I like it. And also like our video down below. And that's it from our video on how to say yes in 10 ways in Chinese. Please support us by liking and subscribing our video for the latest weekly Chinese lessons. 下次再见.